Hello, thank you for taking the time out of your day to view our project. We're Team U Hex Gang, which consists of the members Peru, Shams, Mohammed, and Ahilas. Our project is a two-player video game called Zombie Shooter that faces you off against zombies. When looking for inspiration and ideas for our project, we saw that more than ever people needed new ways to connect with those around them and have a fun time. To start coding, we wanted to create a game, and we wanted to do this on Python, so we wanted to also use Pygame to do this. As the basis for our code, we looked at tutorials on YouTube and found a YouTube video by Tech with Tim and based our code off the code provided in the tutorial, and that can be shown in the GitHub link provided. We wanted to create something nostalgic yet simple, easy to run, and easy to have fun on. This is when we decided to put a twist on generic zombie games. We used the code in the tutorial and at the GitHub link provided and built off that so that we more than doubled the existing code at the end and created something that was really our own. So let's introduce the zombies in our game. So we have three different types of zombies: the blue zombie with high health but low speed, the green zombie with average stats, and the red zombie with low health and high speed. We wanted to switch up the stats to add a more strategic aspect to the game, so you have to think about which zombie you're going to deal with first. Next, let's talk about how you're going to deal with these zombies. So you have two spaceships, a yellow spaceship which is on the right of the game and a red spaceship for the red player which is on the right of the screen. Each spaceship can shoot bullets at the zombies, and each spaceship or player has 10 health. Spaceships lose health by letting a zombie walk off the screen or by getting hit by a zombie. Getting hit by a zombie will cost you 5 health, while letting a zombie walk off the screen will cost you 3 health. And now, how do you control your spaceship? So, as you can see, the yellow and red box highlighted. The yellow boxes are for the yellow player and the red boxes are for the red player. To control the movement of the yellow spaceship, you use WASD, W to move the spaceship up, A to move the spaceship left, and so on. While to move the red spaceship, use the arrow up key to move the spaceship up, the arrow left key to move the spaceship to the left, and so on. To control keys that are highlighted, the respective colors are used to shoot bullets from the respective spaceships. Now we'll have a demo by our lead coder talking about the code and the game.
So hello, today I'll be showing how this zombie game code works, or just like the basics of it. So this uses the Pygame import, and this is what starts the file, or the window. These are colors. There are other global variables like the hit sounds, FPS, velocity, zombies if the zombies were hits, spaceships, and the three different types of zombies, which I'll explain a bit later. This is the main part, which is where it initializes a bunch of stuff, and then uses a while loop to run the code. It'll go at 60 FPS. This FPS variable is 60, and through this it'll check when you press keys to shoot, when you press like it'll play a sound and it does that. It'll also see if you're moving your player, if your player was hurt, if the zombie was hit. This is like, it'll check if the zombie died and then reset them back to the start every time. And then, where is it? And then from there, if one of them wins, if one of them is at 0 HP, the other player wins, this will check it, and it'll, once someone does win, it'll check, go to draw winner, which will write out the winner, and then play a win sound, and then restart the game. This will check all the press buttons. It'll handle movements for yellow and red spaceship, WASD, and the arrow keys to move them, control to shoot, left control, right control. And then this will, this draw window. This will draw the window of the zombies and the health and everything, background and stuff. It'll go up here to draw window and draw everything, red health text, yellow health text, background, both spaceships, all the zombies. There's 5 on screen at a time, and also draw the bullets whenever it's shot. These are the handle movements thing, and then this handles whenever a bullet hits a zombie and whenever a player gets hit by a zombie or the zombie goes to the end of the screen. And then your objective is to survive longer than the other player. There's 2 players who both at 10 HP, and whoever stays at, as you can see here, whoever's still at 10 HP, whoever gets 0 you see the different types of zombies.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Winning. The blue ones, the red ones are with low HP. The green ones have average HP, speed, and the blue ones have high HP but low speed. Okay, a few more changes. One, I added a score feature, and this checks how many times each player has won. It'll, every time one of the player wins, which is down here, it'll add to the yellow score and the red score, and every time the program runs, it will display the amount of wins each player has. So like, at the start, it'll be on one left, bottom right, they'll both have 0. I also changed this on the sound. Now the zombie and
Victory.
a new victory sound. And then you can also see yellow gets 1 win. Yellow dies,
Victory.
bottom right, see red gets 1 win. One more time,
Victory.
yellow wins, bottom left, 1 more extra win. That's it.